UGC NET English Literature Smart Study. Welcome to my channel 10 Facts a Day for the NET aspirants of English Literature. Fact number 1. The Pylon poets include W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender, Stanley Snaith, Louis Magnus, Cecil de Louis, and Christopher Isherwood. The name of the group refers to the title of the poem The Pylons by Stephen Spender. Fact number 2. In hard times, Charles Dickens caricatured utilitarian thinking in the character of Thomas Gradgrind. Fact number 3. Henry Tilney is a character in Jane Austen's novel Northanger Abbey, which is a satire of Gothic novels. Fact number 4. Theatre of Absurd includes the work and thoughts of Janet, Samuel Beckett, Eugene Ionesco, Harold Pinter, etc. 4 poems and respective poets. Church Going by Philip Larkin, Hawk Roosting by Ted Hughes, Digging, Siama Sene, Fernhill, Dylan Thomas. Fact number 6. Onomatopoeia is the use of words whose pronunciation imitates the sound it describes. Fact number 7. Commedia dell'arte is the comedy of the profession is an Italian theatrical form that flourished throughout Europe from 16th century through the 18th century. It is characterized by improvised dialogue and colorful stock characters. Fact number 8. Picaret's novel, originated from Spanish word picaro, relates the adventures of a rogue who is also the protagonist of the novel. Example, Henry Fielding's Tom Jones. Fact number 9. Agitprop, combination for agitation and propaganda, was a communist theatrical genre in interwar Europe. Fact number 10. Portrait of the Artist as a Young Dog is a collection of short stories written by Dylan Thomas. If you like my channel and feel that it is helpful to you, then share and subscribe. And if you find any disparity regarding any information, then you must inform me by commenting below. Thank you. Best of the luck.